you've done yoga for any amount of time, you know that your mat gets disgustingly dirty in a very short period of time. You sweat. I didn't used to think you sweat, but man, do you sweat doing yoga. And when you roll it out on the floor and then roll it back up, the bottom that's on the dirty surface is now next to the top, which is part you're good putting your face and your hands and your body right next to. Ick. So today we are going to make a non-toxic yoga mat spray. Because if you're doing yoga for your health, the absolute last thing you want to do is put a toxic chemical on your mat that you're going to put your hands and your body and even your face next to. Hi, I'm Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. Let's get going. So you've got my 2-ounce spray bottle. I'm going to add some witch hazel. All right. So I'm going to put a little bitty funnel on here, because pouring from a measuring spoon into a bottle is not that accurate. So 1 teaspoon of witch hazel in your bottle. And then you're going to add your oils. Get rid of that. We're going to add 1 drop of lemon oil. Lemon is very cleansing. Comes out really fast. So if you get a little extra, that's okay. Ooh, let's see if we can make it so you can see. Melaleuca, which is also tea tree. We're going to add 1 drop of that. Tea tree is also extremely cleansing. It's great for anything related to your skin, but it also has this wonderful feature about it in that it breaks down the biofilm on the bacteria, so then the oils can get to it, go through the cell of the bacteria and get rid of it. And then we're going to add a drop of lavender, just because it's soothing. It is cleansing also, but it's soothing and it smells lovely and is nice and calming, which is the atmosphere you kind of want with yoga. So we've got 1 drop of each of our 3 oils. Then we're going to top off the bottle with some water, preferably distilled or filtered water. And then we're going to add our spray bottle. So when you buy these spray bottles, they come extra long. So we are going to trim it up at an angle so it doesn't suck onto the bottom. Put your lid on, shake it up, and you are ready to spray your yoga mat. You want to make sure you put a label on your bottle so you know what's in it. And I like having the recipe on there also, just so you remember you don't have to look it up every time. So then you just take and shake your bottle real well. Give it some spritzes here. And wipe it off. You can let it air dry too. You'll have a nice fresh yoga mat. Make sure you let it air dry before you roll it out. Roll it back up. And there you have a healthy, non-toxic yoga mat spray that will keep your yoga mat fresh and clean. If you found value in this, click like and subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.